Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix this error, which is entry point not found dynamic link library error for Horizon 6. Now this error pops up when you go ahead and launch the game. First, we need to go ahead and find Forza Horizon 6 on our desktop. Go ahead and right click on your Forza Horizon on the desktop and go ahead and click on Open File Location. Once you click on Open File Location, this folder will pop up. Now go ahead and scroll and find Forza Horizon 6.exe. Now once again, go ahead and right click on it and this will pop up again. Click on Properties. Once you click on Properties, this window will pop up. Now go ahead and go to Compatibility and click on it. In the section, you will find Run this program as administrator. Uncheck. Go ahead and check it and click Apply and then OK. Once done, the next step is we're going to go ahead and re-download or update the Visual C++ redistributable. Now go ahead and go to your browser and type in C++ redistributable. Press enter and the first Microsoft link is going to be popping up. Go ahead and click on the download ones. Scroll down until you see the section of the table which is x64 and x86. Go ahead and click those two. Once you go ahead and click run and everything, and you should be able to restart your PC after that. Once you restart your PC, go ahead and launch the game and you should be back on the game. If you like this video, have a wonderful day. Thanks so much.